everyone. Yeah.
Levels. Levels, baby, levels.
Look, I thought you were just a scary story that my parents used to tell me to, do my homework. Like Pinky Pinky. Except they used to tell me about... I hope you're comfortable. Are you good? This tax bracket is way above you, babe. Now, see, a lot of us have endorsement deals on this stage. I have Audi, DJ Freshy, you have a Boston Media House, and you have the nerve to show your face. You come from a family of brilliant and talented people. It's too bad they crop you out of every single picture. But as a nation, my love, we can smell you through it. But